Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing well. We are in our bob era today guys. I was inspired to show you bob haircut. Bob haircuts are on trending these days. These bobs are not similar in length. Some are short, some are not too short. These bob cuts make girls' personality more attractive. Bob's haircuts are on trending. Here are some bob cuts ideas I share in this video. I hope you guys will like it. You can select one from them for you according to your personality and choice. These are beautiful bob haircuts. Keep this bob and stay happy. I hope you guys like my video. So stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to keep updated with my new videos. Have a great hair day.